Hi Bianca, before kita makilala, dati na akong tumanda mag-isa. Living day by day, all alone in my apartment. Going out every chance I get. Happy being single kumbaga. Pero when the night comes and I'm alone, I always feel parang may kulang. Parang may mali. Then you came along and changed everything.
J. Mark, how quick the wind changes. One moment, I am lost in a terrible deluge of rain, flooding my innermost being, suffocating, and pushing me down deeper into the abyss. Bago kita makilala, para akong nalulunod sa mga obligasyon sa karera ko, sa pagpapabuti ng sarili, sa pamilya, sa bahay. At that time, I was blind from anything else and had narrowed my path before me. Take care of my family, invest in myself, look for greener pastures. Para akong tinatangay ng alon ng buhay, at for once in my life, I offered myself completely into it.
Nagsimula ang lahat nung nag-chat yung common friend natin. Sabi niya, Gemma, may jowa ka na ba? May papadate sana kami sa'yo eh. At first, hesitant ako. Kasi nasanay na akong mag-isa eh. At takot na ako magtiwala ulit.
Napagod na ako magmahal at maghintay para sa iba na hindi rin naman masuklian ang kaya kong ibigay. Okay naman na ako sa pamilya ko at sa pamangkin ko. Masaya na ako. Bahala na si Batman. I prayed for God for peace of mind and He gave me a mission. Give myself to others. Mamaya na sarili ko. And then one evening, nasa ospital pa ako nun. Kasama ko kapatid ko. Si Papa, tinala namin sa ER. May nag-text. Hi Bianca, ako yung friend ni Dana. Kamusta ka naman? Siyempre, inuna ko muna tatay ko. More than 2 hours later na ako na nakapag-reply. Sabi ko, Hello Jay, or Mark, paano ka ba dapat tawagin? Sakto lang ako, nasa ospital. Ikaw, kamusta? Doon nagsimula lahat. Sabi ko, sige mag-text ka lang tapos kung may oras ako, doon kita re-replyan. Nagulat ako, nagre-reply hanggang umaga. Yun pala, night shift si Loco. Kaya pala kayang-kaya ako sabayan.
But I took chance to say hi and the rest is history. I will never forget our first date. She showed up wearing a cute gray top, black jeans and heels, showing your wonderful smile. We spent all night chatting and we lost track of time. Sino ba naman ang mag-aakala na ito na pala yung first date ko with my future wife?
Ganun pala yung pag may nawala sa buhay mo, manghihinayang ka talaga. Sasabihin mo dati nandito siya, ngayon wala na.
Sometimes, I can't help but wonder how a Bianca with a perfect smile, bright mind, hit or miss humor, passion for public service, strong independent woman with a clumsy and masungit side, can't fall in love with the lanky Mac like me.
Out of nowhere, tumating ka sa gulo ng buhay ko. At nakisabay ka sa alon. Swimmer ka pala. Legit na nagko-compete ka sa swimming nung bata ka. Parang may humila sa akin sa rumaragas ang tubig at iniahon ako para makahinga. Like cork out of water. Yung ngiti mo nung una kitang nakita, daig pa ang kating ko sa pagdala ng init at ginhawa. Nagulat ako sa tangkad mo dahil nung kausap kita, kala ko maliit ka lang din tulad ko. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit eh. Para akong bumalik sa high school habang nakikilala kita. Hindi ko akalain na marunong pa rin pala ako kiligin ng ganon.
Kay rami na ang nawala sa buhay ko, ngunit ngayon nandito ka na. Hindi ka na mawawala sa aking piling. Dito lang tayo hanggang dulo.
Tinanggap mo ko at ang lahat ng obligasyon ko. Passion ko sa career, pagmamahal ko sa pamilya ko. I love how you bring clarity to my life. Listen to me, kahit ako ang kontrabida, how you are patient with my pagsusungit. The way you take care of me, knowing how clumsy I am.
I really enjoy watching anime with you, kahit naiinis ka na sa mga side comments ko. I love the way you take care of me and your family, our biglaang gala, our adulting dates, and even our special doing nothing with you moments. Lastly, I really love planning our future together. I want to do those things again, but this time as your poging husband na.
Kapag umuwi ako ng pagod at minsan umiiyak dahil sa trabaho, nandun ka para iahon ako at ipaalala na nandyan ka lang, nakasama mo ako sa lahat. You take care of me in ways that I do not even know possible.
Bianca, my soon-to-be wife, I can't wait to say I do in front of our family and friends while holding back my tears. Thank you, and I love you always.
You are the anchor that stills my soul, the swimmer who saved me with the brightest smile and a steady hand, the one who taught me how to swim. To my husband-to-be, I can't wait to come home to you, to finally come ashore to my life's journey. Wait for me by the tree at dusk on one cool December evening. I'll be the one in white.